Okay, here's the project to replace the water line. This is the pump house that was shown in the pictures. It was built around 1985, and underneath all that insulation there's a brass T that goes to the well pump with the valving, and then what comes out of there, I believe it was PVC piping that goes into the ground, and I think below the ground it turns into a steel line then that goes over to the house. In terms of distances, what I'm going to show is a run that I think would be the best to chew up the least chip seal in the driveway, and it ends up being a total of 76 feet. So we start here at the pump house, and you can see the tape measure goes across the driveway, and part of this, a lane of it, is chip sealed. And then where Kathy is standing here is the 25-foot measurement. And then it would run through here on area that hasn't been chip sealed over. It just said 2-inch drain rock put in years ago, and we drive on it and park a van here. And then you would come over to the concrete patio, and that is 60 feet. And then I think make an angle would be easiest, to come over 5 feet so that you could just go under the sidewalk with the piping without having to go up and rip up and get under the patio. I've already done that with a water drain line from my water treatment system, and I did that all by hand very easily, so it should work. And then if you go over here, this is all a flower bed that's kind of overgrown with vine, and you come in here and here's the water supply valve. So I believe that steel comes all the way over here to, there's a valve there that's covered with insulation, goes into the house, and then it's copper at that point. So I think what needs to be replaced is everything from the well house to the copper line here. There's a hose bib and a water treatment system inside the garage. And as you can see, this total tape stretched out is about 76 feet.